यो यो हानी सिंह। इतनी ज्यादा फ्रेंडली वाइब है आपकी।
बस भाई आपका दोस्त ही हूँ, भाई हूँ बड़ा।
100%।
जहाँ से आप लोग निकले हो मैं भी वहीं से निकला हूँ।
ओके।
तो वही बस गलियाँ हैं, वही रास्ते हैं, वही मंजिल है।
मंजिल क्या है? डेथ।
बहन चो। फिर वही सवाल, इस शो में आदमी चेंज हो सकता है लेकिन सवाल नहीं। ये आदमी लोगों को बर्थडे पे कुछ नहीं होता। इसका लॉजिक का हिसाब से बर्थडे तो हर साल आता है भाई, तो मैं डेथ डे पे विश करूंगा, स्पेशल रहेगा। चल छोड़ दो, आगे देखते हैं।
My mom heard me call his mom and dad. She was like, yeah, I want to be called mom. So I told Sid, and my parents are very young.
I get it that it took Sid a while to call.
No, he doesn't call them mom and dad. It's Mill and Phil. My dad anyway definitely thinks he's broke.
I think what he really meant was MILF. Everything reminds me of her. Don't act like it's your first time.
समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
Look who is sleeping when I'm talking. Sorry. I see you hit the deadline. Sorry. I failed your class. But you passed. Look who's not thinking outside the box. Who's not thinking outside the box?
Okay, now it's my turn. You always told me to not feel proud of yourself. And you told me to stay grounded. Now look who is underground. This is exactly my crush every time I go near her. Because I'm dark.
This is why you should be careful with who you marry. In 2023, 22-year-old Hemendra Marawi had just gotten married to his wife. At the wedding, many of his friends and family had given them gifts to wish them a happy marriage, but because there were so many, Hemendra decided to hold off on opening them. So a few days go by, and Hemendra and his brother decide to open the gifts, when they find a gift with no name tag on it. So they end up opening it anyways, and they find what looks like a stereo. So they did what anyone would have done and plugged it in. But as soon as they did, a massive explosion would go off, instantly killing Hemendra and fatally injuring his brother. It turns out that Hemendra's wife had just broken up with an ex who was furious that she was getting married to another man. So on the day of their wedding, he snuck a bomb disguised as a stereo in their gift pile. The man was immediately arrested and would later confess to the crime, earning him a lifetime prison sentence.
Yo, why are you giving ideas, bro?
Ballerinas of color call for more inclusive point shoes.
Since I started ballet, I've been pancaking my point shoes my skin color. The option to have point shoes or ballet slippers in my color has often made me feel excluded.
The first black female principal dancer at the American Ballet Theatre, Misty Copeland, is among people calling for more diverse options.
This is so much deeper, and it's about making dance and ballet more inclusive.
बहन चो, जिंदगी में इतना सारा प्रॉब्लम्स है, दुनिया में इतना सारा प्रॉब्लम्स है, अफ्रीका में बच्चों को सेक्स नहीं मिल रहा, I mean, फूड नहीं मिल रहा, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो रहा है, गुजरात में अल्कोहल बैन है, लेकिन इस औरत का तो कुछ और ही प्रॉब्लम है। जूतों का कलर स्किन से मैच नहीं कर रहे। हमारा तो यहाँ बॉडी पार्ट दूसरा बॉडी पार्ट से कलर मैच नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन हम चुपचाप है। आई विश सलमान खान इस पे चढ़ा देता। बहन चो, जब तक पैसे है तब तक लड़की है। जब जेब में छेद हो जाए ना, सिक्के गिरने से पहले रिश्ते गिर जाते हैं।
I'm fucking it. How the fuck is that possible, bro?
2 hours later.
I'll show you once again. See, there are 3 cubes in here, right? He's going to take 2 cubes. And now there should be how many cubes left on this row? There's only 1 cube, right? एक ही क्यूब था ना इधर। देखा अब क्या होगा। हाँ, इधर 4 क्यूब आ गया, मतलब एक क्यूब ऐड किया उसने बीच में। शर्लॉक होम्स
L.R.D. Verma. Before she was he.
What is the purpose of human life? Decoded with the help of Bhagavad Gita. Now from Bhagavad Gita we know that we are the soul which is eternal, ever existing, encased in a body which is made up of 5 senses and it is temporary. Then we are around a covering known as Maya which makes us forget our actual position as a soul. Now you are born into this beautiful earth as a child and you go to transformation from youth, middle age, old age and death. Again your cycle keeps on repeating because you're fed certain beliefs as in youth and you're told in middle age to work hard, retire, get married, build these houses and then die one day. The main cause of this rebirth is Maya, or the key motivators are power, money, fame and pleasures, which are like this black hole, insatiable. These things make you stuck in the cycle of rebirth. You're thinking of that Lamborghini, or thinking about that power, fame, and then at the last moment you die and again you're born into certain species, maybe human, maybe some other animal. How do we get out of this cycle? To escape this Maya, thus escaping the cycle of rebirth. And what is that hack? Final thought, at the moment of your death, if you think of Shri Krishna, there won't be any rebirth. This is supported by these 2 verses and the beautiful story is Ajamila's. Ajamila was the most sinful person on this planet Earth. But at the moment of his death, he called out his son's name, Krishna. Just because of that, he attained Goloka and never just returned. And there was no rebirth.
How the fuck is this convincing, bro? अगर rebirth नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा? उसके बारे में कौन बताएगा? अगर मेरा rebirth होता ना, तो मैं लड़की बनूंगा और मैं सबको दे दूंगा। ये सब छोड़ो, मुझे इंडिया का मिस्टर बीस्ट बनना है और लोगों को पैसा बांटना है। वो देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करना। बाय।